Fern finally taught Cooper how to play in the sink. I know, you would have thought she would have taught him sooner. Nope. Only one missing is Mugs. Get a good shot here. There's a good shot. You gonna sit up so people can look at you? No, leave that alone. You don't need vitamins. Hey. Hey, hey. Okay, that's little Cooper. Little Cooper. Huh? You can see his head's almost as big as Fern's. And he's as tall. Still has a long ways to fill out, but he's getting there. Okay. Oh. More later. Bye.